So if you've been following along with our shorts from this week, you'll see that we have been slowly making progress on this geometric epoxy design. Ultimately, this is likely going to be a serving board for us or a piece of artwork, but really we wanted to just hone our ability to do a multi-layer epoxy and really figure out the inner workings of it. So stay tuned and see how we pulled it off. Was inspired after we had a project from a client asking us to put a college logo on a serving board. In looking at the design, we realized that it was going to take a two-step epoxy pour. So we were going to have to pour one color and then go to our CNC, carve out the original color, and then lay an inlay of an additional color to make the complete logo. So in doing that, we had a lot of fun and thought we could really do this with a geometric design and have a cool effect. So this is what we came up with. below what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to follow along for more builds. See you next time.